Wow, this is unexplored. I bet not many people know about this in Southampton. Right, we are back at Millbrook station. And apparently there's a trail beside the station. Let's check it out. Oh, we're back on the rickety bridge over Millbrook. Not so rickety today. So we're over this really old part of the bridge that we didn't check out before. Let's have a quick look. Apparently there's a trail down the side of the railway. Let's have a look over here. And the cruise ship's in. And look at all those new Honda Civics. There's a big car park. Shipping out all those cars. Or they're being shipped in anyway, who knows. There's all the rubbish from Southampton. All the scrap metal on the right there. See the big cranes at the docks. So let's check it out. This old part. Look at this old bridge. It's made out of slabs. There's the station. And this should take us into town looking on Google Street View. I don't know if it's still there though. I'm a bit nervous because it's not something I've done before. Might be nothing. Well, bike's been down there recently. Oh, there's a trail. Oh, should have bought my bigger tyre bike. And I just came across this randomly when I was did my other video on Millbrook Station. And Google Street View showed like a faint trail along here. It's early in the morning and the sun's on the camera, so I'll try and sort that out on post editing, in post. It's quite narrow. Just hope I don't get puncture. This is where a gravel bike would be coming in handy. I can hear a train on my left. It's a freight train. Keep going. I can't remember where this takes me out. I hope it's not a dead end. Can't see up ahead, it's pitch black. Oh, someone's walking their dog. Morning. Wow, look at that, it's a bridge. Wow, this is unexplored. I bet not many people know about this in Southampton. All that graffiti. Hope I don't get a puncture on this. Wow, look at that house. And look at that shed. That's beat up. There's a train coming. Wow, I'm probably the first person to film this. Definitely, this is not on YouTube. No, I think I'll have to keep going. Bit of mud there. Pick up a bit more speed now. This is more compacted down. What a beautiful morning it is. I did enjoy that narrow bit. Sun in the eyes, I couldn't see where I was going, but this is much better. I should have asked that bloke, where does this go to? But I guess, oh, I know where we are. This takes us out to the police station. That road on the right, everyone drives into Southampton using that road when they go shopping in West Quay and when they go into IKEA. It's always busy with traffic on a Saturday. But look at this little trail. This is brilliant. It's just one straight trail. I'll do this one again. Oh, is that a hedgehog? Or was that a rat? That's a rat. My front tyre's a little bit low on here, so just got to be careful. The power line. Oh, there's a little bridge there. What does the sign say? I think it's closed. Is it closed? Or can we use it? Right tipping is a crime. We won't do that. But yeah, someone's dumped the bed there. We'll just keep going. I think this takes us out to the police station, so there's a little trail going up onto the main road. I think I'm going to have to get a mountain bike. This road bike it's okay. I'm going to get a little bit wider tyres for it. See the railway to my left. And I think we're coming out now. I don't know what this is called. I have to give it a name. I have to call it the Millbrook Railway single track. So there's the police station, that big tall building. That's the new police station in the background. I've never seen anyone cycle along here. I drive up this road all the time, but didn't realise where this trail went to. I thought it was a dead end. There's the railway car park, and there's the old HSBC building. So this will take us out to the train station. So we'll take you out onto the station, and we'll probably end the video there. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Someone's stolen this rear wheel. That's sad, isn't it? They left his helmet, but yeah, it's a nice Carrera bike, rusty chain though, but he's only locked at the frame and the wheel. And of course they'll take the rear wheel, and in a few days time he doesn't remove it, everything else will be gone, like the seat post, the handlebars, everything. There's a bike around where I live, but it's all stripped to pieces, just the frame left. So yeah, if you're going to lock your bike, lock everything and take anything that can be removed. Just want to show you this cool architecture outside of Southampton station, main train station, and I think it's built in the 70s or 60s, and it reminds me of the Rowner flats in Gosport. And there's someone's bike up there. It's all concrete. And this kind of architecture, some people hate it, some people love it, but it just fascinates me. I used to cycle around Rowner, and if you imagine a complex like, 5 times bigger than this, there's someone homeless there. But yeah, these places are great for like cycling and skateboarding and stuff, but you can't now. Yeah, there's like shops and stuff. And people live here. Fascinating. But that's all there is to it here. Engine takeaway. Car park down there. There's some shops. Let's check out these shops. There's quite a lot of homeless in Southampton. It's sad to see. You go into the town centre, there's quite a lot of it. There never used to be that many. I never noticed it anyway as much as now. I think definitely after the 2008 recession, it's sort of picked up quite a lot. Some sort of vaping store, some sort of music shop, coffee shop, and the escape rooms. They seem to be doing really well lately. It's like the Crystal Maze or something. Oh, I can see the gate working. There it goes. Yeah, that's just what I want to show you. That it's a concrete utopian future.